Hello friends, I am Dr. R.V. Solanki from Vasantrao Naik Arts, Science and Commerce College, Sharada, Department of Chemistry. We are studying the chapter solutions. This is the fourth lecture on the chapter solution. Already we have studied about the ideal and non-ideal solutions, how they are formed, what are the conditions for the ideal and non-ideal solutions. Now we have to study the vapor pressure diagrams for the ideal and non-ideal solution. First, consider the ideal solutions. The solutions like ethylene dibromide and propylene dibromide, which obeys ideal behavior. It is the actual liquid pair. There are various binary mixtures. Some of them obey Raoult's law at all compositions of the solutions. For example, ethylene dibromide and propylene bromide obey Raoult's law at 85.5 degrees centigrade as shown in this diagram. The extent of deviation from Raoult's law on the nature of liquids and their concentrations, that is total vapor pressure of several systems in there, depends on mole fractions of constituents present in the solutions. Such solutions are called non-ideal solutions, which does not obey the Raoult's law. Depending on the negative and positive deviations, non-ideal behaviors solutions are classified into three types: type 1, type 2 and type 3. So here we have to study each type separately for our non-ideal behavior nature of the solution. So friends, the extent of deviation from Raoult's law depends on nature of liquids and their concentrations, that is total partial pressure of several systems in their dependence of mole fraction of constituents present in the solution. Such solutions are called non-ideal solutions. Depending on their nature of deviation, positive or negative deviation, there are three types are classified. So type first, type second and type third. So for positive deviation there are two types, type 1 and type 2, and for negative deviation is the type 3. So now here we have to consider type first. The solutions in which delta H of mixing is greater than 0 or delta V of mixing is greater than 0, such solutions are called as non-ideal solutions with positive deviations. In such cases, the partial vapor pressure of each component and total vapor pressure at all compositions are always greater than predicted by Raoult's law. That is, PA is greater than NA into PA0 or PB is greater than NB into PB0, or total pressure P is greater than PA plus PP. So this is because of intermolecular forces between A and B are weaker than A and A and B and B. That is the solute-solute and solvent-solvent. There are two types of positive deviations, type first and type second are considered here. So in type first, we have to study here in diagram type first. In type first, the total vapor pressure of all the compositions of them. So here this all the compositions are higher than that of composition or vapor pressure of pure component PA and PB. This is the type first, where the compositions of solutions of all compositions is higher than the vapor pressure of pure components. In type first, the total vapor pressure is higher than the pure components. It is shown in figure A. Other examples are water and methyl alcohol, carbon tetrachloride and benzene. So in this way, this is the type first explained here for the non-ideal solutions. Type second, in this type of mixture acetone carbon disulfide, the total vapor pressure rises and reaches to the maximum value, and then it starts decreasing. That is, total pressure is above the vapor pressure of either of the pure components for certain composition of mixtures as shown in figure. So here the vapor pressures of pure components, this is PA0 and this is PB0. These are the vapor pressure of pure components, and here this curve shows the vapor pressure of the compositions of PA and PB. So this is increases here, then decreases here. So this is the showing maximum in the vapor pressure curve. This is for partial vapor pressure PA and this is for partial vapor pressure PB. So here the pure components are, first is acetone and other is carbon disulfide. So this mixture obeys this second type showing the maximum in the curve. So this is the second type. Now we have to study type third, which shows the negative deviation. So negative deviation shows here minima in the pure vapor pressure of the solution, and here also for PA and PB the partial vapor pressures also showing the negative deviations. So for type third we have to show that the solution in which delta H for mixing is less than delta 0 and delta V of mixing is less than 0. So here such solutions are called as non-ideal solutions with negative deviations. So here the total pressure is also P is less than PA plus PB. That is, the total vapor pressure is less than partial vapor pressures of A and B. This is because the intermolecular forces between A and B are stronger than AA or BB. So in the diagram C, the total vapor is below the vapor pressure of the actual curve. So here the vapor pressure of solution is below, and here vapor pressure of the partial vapor pressure also the below the actual partial vapor pressure. So here this is the negative deviations. So for this mixture or compositions we can show that the total vapor pressure below the vapor pressure of either of the components for certain compositions. So examples are mixtures like acetone and chloroform, benzene and chloroform, water and HCl. These are showing the type 3. So in this way we have discussed all the three types for the non-ideal systems, type 1, type 2, type 3.